In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Milanote for Video Creator. We'll build a clean, repeatable system inside Milanote that keeps your entire content process in one place, from brainstorming to publishing. Start by going to milanote.com, create a new board, and give it a clear, descriptive name, like YouTube Content System. This single board will act as your central hub, so everything you need to plan and deliver a video lives here. Next, set up your workflow sections as columns. Add video ideas, scripts, or outlines in production, scheduled, and published. Think of these as the lanes of your content pipeline. As a project moves forward, you'll drag the same card from left to right, so you can glance at the board and instantly see what needs attention. Now capture your ideas. Use a note for each individual concept and keep it brief. Inside the note, jot down a working title, the target audience, and the hook you'll use in the first 3 seconds. Keeping ideas short and scrollable makes it easy to compare and prioritize later. When you're ready to plan a video, open its card and add the essentials. Draft a script or a bullet outline. Define the primary goal, whether that's views, engagement, or sales. List a few core keywords or SEO terms to guide your title and description, and finish with a clear call to action you'll say on camera or place in the description. Add visual planning to speed up production, create a spot for thumbnails and upload inspiration or draft designs, then outline your shots and B-roll, noting any scenes you want to capture. Having visual references next to your script helps you film faster and keep a consistent style. Track production by moving the card across the columns. Idea, script, filming, editing, scheduled, and published. This simple motion gives you an immediate overview of progress for every video. Keep all your assets close. Paste links from cloud storage, attach video files, and drop in music references. Milanote automatically previews many links, so you can open the right item without hunting through folders. Plan your upload schedule by adding due dates or quick notes with the intended upload date and the platform, whether it's shorts or long form. If you're working with a team, use Share to invite collaborators and assign tasks to editors or designers. Finally, create a review section for analytics notes, high-performing topics, and what didn't land. Returning to these insights helps you refine your ideas and grow faster.